Okay, guys, hello, welcome back for another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use Canva to create a jigsaw puzzle. So first we're going to create design. We're going to use the 8 by 11 inch one. 8 by 11 inches. Okay, that's loading. Let's go to apps. Going to go to apps, search for Jigsaw here. Waiting for that to load. This one right here. Okay, let's get the image. To upload an image, we're gonna use this image that I have already uploaded. Okay, let's go back to Jigsaw now. Can choose the amount of puzzle pieces that you want with this one. So 148, 187, 61, 300, 600, 1000 pieces, whatever you want. Okay, so let's do 309. Tab size, what the size that you want them. Let's do 17. Jitter is like the curve of the way you want them to be. Okay, you can the line width, like how thick you want the lines to be. That's the line width. So, and the color, let's change that. Can do black, um white, yellow, pink, blue, whatever color you guys want. Okay, let's do black. We're going to stick with black for this one. And the image size, or how you want things to be. So you're going to export the design now. Here it is. Wait, hold on. Let me do it in white. Let's redo it in white so you guys can see it better. So here it is. Going to match it up. Now you're going to match it to the design to make it work. Match it to the design to make it work. Okay, so you guys are going to have to get the right image size for the puzzle. Okay, and that's how you would do the jigsaw puzzle in Canva, and then you would export it to Spotify or Etsy to create it. Spotify or Printify or Etsy to create it. And that's how you do the jigsaw puzzle. Okay, guys. Bye for now.